We have three waves coming towards us, and they're actually good and bad at the same time. So climate change, I'll talk a little bit about that later. Artificial intelligence, and the last one is synthetic technology, biotechnology. For example, inventing processes from nature into engineering allows us to redo things and create stuff like sustainable airplane fuel, right? Or different ways of mixing concrete. Now there's companies reinventing concrete so we can actually recycle concrete and print it in a large machine. These things are just everywhere around us. Yes, climate change is a problem. We're going to suffer for the next 2 decades while we change what we do, but it is solvable. Artificial intelligence is one of those things where most people are confused about what it really does. I'll explain in a second. But yes, eventually it could become potentially more intelligent than humans. The latest forecast, a nice future shock, roughly 2030, 2032, we may have a machine that has the combined computing capacity of all human brains. This is just computing capacity, not anything else. But that's quite a story there. And as we move into that future, it's important to realize people are looking at this world and saying, okay, so we have these doors and the doors are closed, and we think that the future is all about the closed door. But I think really what's happening is the doors are opening. They're not closing. And this is the painful part. If you've ever been to therapy, you know what I'm talking about. When you find an open door to solve a problem, you have to step through that door to solve the problem. It's painful. You don't want to go. But this is what we have right now. The conflicts that we're seeing, climate change, AI, they all come down to this. The doors aren't closing, they are open, and they're giving us new opportunities. So I give you a chart here. Climate change, people always think of climate change and addressing it as spending, but this is actually the biggest business ever. The next 1,000 unicorn billion-dollar companies are going to be in climate technology.